This is a short tutorial on how to form a new team in the Carrot Challenge. So first, start the app and swipe over to your Wellness tab, in this case it's the UAW, and tap the reward tile for the challenge. You're going to be presented with the details of the challenge. Just tap the join and you have three choices. You can either join a random team, and join an existing team, or form a new team. Let's form a new team and give it a name. In this case, we're going to call it the New Step Walkers, and then tap the join button, and this will generate a team code that you can share with your teammates. Once you tap on the reward again, you'll be able to see your team code. So tap on the reward, and there's your team code. Go ahead and share that team code with all your teammates, and check out the next video on how to join an existing team. Thank you.